Children, in bio class you have to study reproduction in bacteria. How do bacteria reproduce? Reproduction. In bacteria. Bacteria reproduce mainly by asexual method and sexual method. It means there are two types of reproduction in bacteria. One is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is by binary fission. This type of reproduction occurs under favorable conditions. The bacterial cell divide into two daughter bacterial cells. Children, you see, this is the parent cell, and this parent cell elongate, and by constriction it is going to divide into two daughter bacterial cells. So this here in this figure has shown binary fission. Second type of reproduction in bacterial cell is by budding. So here budding type of reproduction has shown. In some bacteria, buds are given out from the bacterial cell, as this is the normal bacterial cell, and when buds are given out, then we observe, so like this structure is given out from it. It will grow and ultimately it is separated from the parent cell by constriction. And after the separation, now two cells are formed. So this is the new bacterial cell. So this is the second type of reproduction. It is called budding. Third is endospore formation. Endospore formation. So this is the third type of asexual reproduction. Endospore formation occurs under unfavorable conditions. Gram-positive bacillus bacteria form endospore under unfavorable condition. So children, endospore formation occurs in which bacteria? Gram positive. Bacteria which are gram positive, they are bacillus bacteria like Clostridium tetani. Clostridium tetani is the bacillus bacteria. Under favorable condition, thick wall is formed, and inside they will remain, and when they germinate under favorable condition, when sufficient nutrients are available, humidity is there, suitable temperature is, then from the endospore new bacterial cell is coming out. So these are the three types of asexual reproduction: binary fission, budding, and endospore formation. Now next is sexual reproduction. In the bacterial cell, sexual reproduction is by genetic recombination. Their sexual reproduction in bacterial cell is by genetic recombination. Sexuality in bacteria was first demonstrated by Joshua Lederberg and Edward L. Tatum. So Lederberg and Tatum, these were the two scientists. They demonstrated sexuality in bacteria. Sexual reproduction in bacteria differ from eukaryotes. In bacteria, there is no formation of gametes. Cell fusion does not occur. Then how sexual reproduction in bacteria occurs? By genetic recombination. Sexual reproduction in bacteria occurs by genetic recombination. Two bacterial cells of different strain come in contact and they exchange genetic material. Sexual reproduction or genetic recombination in bacterial cell occurs by three methods. First is conjugation. First method is conjugation. Second is transduction and third is transformation. So we can say sexually bacteria reproduce by conjugation, by transduction and transformation. Now you have to know what is the conjugation. Exchange of genetic material by direct cell to cell contact. There are two bacterial cells. They come in the contact. Their contact wall dissolve, and when their contact wall will dissolve, then genetic material through this conjugation tube will transfer from one to other. In this we can say these two bacterial cells are of different strain. One is plus strain and other is minus strain. So genetic recombination by conjugation occurs. So this is the conjugation. It was studied by Joshua Lederberg and Edward L. Tatum. Second is transduction. So transduction is the process in which this transduction is a process in which there is gene transfer from one bacterium to another by means of temperate bacteriophage virus. Bacteriophage virus. So if there gene transfer from one bacterial cell into the other bacterial cell occur by temperate bacteriophage virus, that is called transduction. This phenomena was discovered by Ginder and Lederberg. Ginder and Lederberg discovered transduction. Now last one is transformation. Transformation is the process whereby naked DNA containing a limited amount of genetic information is transferred from one bacterial cell into other. So that is called transformation. Transformation was discovered by Frederick Griffiths. So Frederick Griffiths discovered transformation in the bacterial cell.